Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials. Your phone must already have a registered fingerprint and a device lock set. Once done, open Instagram and go straight to your profile, then tap the menu and settings. Make sure the app is updated so the fingerprint option appears. That avoids hidden menus or missing toggles. You're starting actual setup now because without device biometrics, the app can't enable fingerprint lock, so do those steps before proceeding. You'll now enable the feature. Navigate Settings, then Privacy and find App Lock or Security depending on your OS. Once visible, toggle the Use Biometrics or Require Fingerprint option. Instagram will prompt you to authenticate. Tap the sensor with your registered finger and follow any on-screen timing prompts. This links your device-level biometric to Instagram's lock, so the app itself won't open without that fingerprint. If asked, choose a fallback lock. Finish by testing. Close Instagram completely, reopen, and you should see the fingerprint prompt. Authenticate to confirm access. Make sure to set the lock timeout option. Choose immediately if you want instant protection or a short delay for convenience. If authentication fails, don't panic. Re-register the fingerprint in device settings, ensure the screen and sensor are clean, and clear Instagram's cache or restart the phone. Those steps resolve most issues and restore reliable biometric access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.